Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to split and merge video clips in CapCut PC. First, make sure you have imported your video clips and drag them into the timeline like this one. To split a clip, move the playhead, that's the white vertical line, to the exact point where you want to cut the video. Once in the right spot, click on the scissors icon at the top of the timelines or press Ctrl B on your keyboard. This will split the video into two parts. You can do this as many times as needed to cut out or rearrange parts of your video. Now let's say you want to merge the clips together. That's very easy. Just drag one clip next to another in the timeline. For example, I want to merge both of this one. Okay, now let's say you want to merge clips together. For example, like this one, I will cut this area. Just drag one clip next to another in the timeline. Make sure there is no gap in between. Okay, now CapCut will automatically play them back to back as one continuous video, and then you don't need to press any merge button. It's done for you during the exports. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel, and see you in the next video.